Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel चलो मैथ्स पढ़ने. Dear students, we have a question. Question is the minimum value of 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 8 is. We have to find the minimum value of this expression, right? How we can find its minimum value? Watch till the end and share it to your friends. Let us start its solutions. We have given expression what? 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 8, right? In this expression we have two part. One part is the trigonometrical functions containing part, right? 3 cos x plus 4 sin x, and we know that the minimum value or minimum value of a cos theta plus b sin theta is equals to minus under root a square plus b square. Okay, and the maximum value of a cos theta plus b sin theta is equals to what? Equal to under root a square plus b square. Okay, means if we take the positive part, positive value of under root a square plus b square, then it is the maximum value of this expression, and if we take its negative value, then we get minimum value. And here we have the minimum value of this part, means trigonometrical part, is equals to what? Mean value. Minimum value of this expression is equals to negative of under root 3 square plus 4 square and plus this is 8, means we have here under root 25 and plus 8. This is equals to minus 5 and plus 8. This gives us 3. 3 is the right answer of these questions, means minimum value of given expression is equal to 3. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you very much for watching.